Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today we are making a gift card holder and we're going to use our mini alphabet punch board. Now you can use your big alphabet punch board, but I'll show you how the gift card looks, the gift card holder. The little envelope flap looks like this if you use the big board, and it slides out like this. But it's the same concept whether you use the big board or the small board. But we're going to use the small board today because I would like my flap to be a little bit more round. So I'll give you the measurements. You will take a square piece of cardstock, cut it at 5 1/8 of an inch by 5 1/8 of an inch. Okay, you'll need a scoreboard, and I'll give you the measurements. We're going to score our cardstock at 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to score it at the 3/8 mark, right down here, right there, okay? Then we're going to give it a turn and score it again at the 3/8 of an inch mark. Okay, to make this easy, we're going to fold our flap, okay? And then you're going to score it after you fold it, butt it up at the edge, and then give it a score at the 2 3/8 of an inch mark, okay? Right about there. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. All right, so next what we're going to do is give it another score right about here. And actually it's going to go this way, and we're going to score it at the 1 1/4 inch mark. Just like that, okay? So that's how it looks so far. Okay, we're going to flip it over. We're going to make some cuts. Okay, right here is where the score marks are. We're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to cut off this little square in the corner. See, there's a little square, and cut that out right about there. Just cut that right out. Okay, so that square is gone. We're going to also cut out this rectangle up here. All right, and cut that out. So that's gone. All right, so this is what we're left with, this little flap here. We're going to angle a cut right about here. All right, so there's an angle cut right there, and then we're going to angle a cut right here. All right, so now we have an angle flap. All right, next we're going to cut another flap off right about here. Okay, and then we're going to do an angle cut here. and here. All right, and then one more time, we're going to cut in here. And here. Okay, that's all we need with our scissors, and now we're going to bring in our punch board. Okay, we're going to use our top punch. Okay, this is the top punch, and we're going to, let me zoom in. All right, see this punch right here? It makes a V punch. So what we're going to do is make a V punch in the center of this square. All right, and it should be about in the center. So we're just going to set that down in there and give it a punch, just like that. And this is what you get. Okay, then next we're going to take our bottom punch and round the corners. So you just set that in. Just like that. And you may have to lift this up and over the corner to get that all the way into the punch. So that it doesn't tear. And give it a punch. And see, you get a rounded corner. You may want to flip it to do the other side. And punch. And there you go. Next, we're going to glue in the sides and fold over this flap right here to close off our gift card holder. Okay? I'm just going to fold that down and open up our glue. And take the board away, give it some glue. And I'm just going to fold this over. And press it down. I just need my bone folder and give it a nice crease. And then I just need my gift card and slide it in. So here you go. And here's the back. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, this is with the big board. This is with the small board, the mini board. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fabulous day.